Optimal Revenue Management System, filing the individual income tax return online. Submitting your tax return just got easier with Optimal Revenue Management System. This video is a step-by-step view on how to complete this transaction in less than half an hour. First, log into your account. In the Returns tab, there are two options, Returns List and File a Return. To file an individual income tax return, simply select File a Return, the tax type and year of assessment, and click Start Return. Step 1 requires you to review the return details such as tax type, year, period, and return and payment due date. Ensure the information you enter in this return is true, correct, and complete to the best of your knowledge and belief. When you're ready to start, click Save and Continue. Select Enter Earning Details and indicate whether you are self-employed or employed. For employment details, click Add Detail and enter the employer's TIN and address. If you are employed at multiple organizations, click Add Detail again. If not, move on to the next step by clicking Back to Earning Details section and select Save and Continue. Step 3 concerns your residency. Click No if you are a resident and you have spent more than 183 days of the year in Guyana. Also, click Yes if you are an ordinarily resident. That means Guyana is where you spend your day-to-day life during the period of income. Click Yes if you are domiciled in Guyana. That means you intend to reside permanently here. And lastly, indicate a country of which you are national in. Click Save and Continue. Section 3 also regards your income details. This is where you use your 7B slip to assist you. As an employee with no other sources of income, enter your salary or wages in line 26B or 27B. If you are a government employee, enter your total income in line 26B. Private sector employees are required to state their total income in line 27B. This taxpayer receives her salary through the public treasury. Therefore, click Add Detail to state the employer's TIN, gross amount, PAYE or income tax deducted, which includes overtime, taxable allowances, and NIS contributions. This information is available from the 7B slip. Click back to the Income Details section, then Save and Continue. You can now move on to Section 4, Allowances and Deductions. You must state whether you have allowances to claim such as wear and tear allowance, gross interest paid on mortgage, etc. You will also notice the details of your income in the respective fields. Click Save and Continue. Section 5 allows you to enter credits such as advance payments, set-off, relief, etc. If this does not relate to your account, simply select No and click Save and Continue. Section 6 to 10 is mostly for self-employed persons where they have to include their profit and loss details, expenses, balance sheet details, and capital. Click Save and Continue for each step when you have completed the section. Step 4 requires you to upload your supporting documents from your computer, such as the 7B slip, Form 4 for the mortgage interest relief, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, etc. You can thereafter review your return to make any changes or edit answers, and finally, tick the declaration box below and click Submit Return. For more information, visit the Optimal website at www.gra.gov.gy/optimal. Thanks for watching.